I'm Jude and Mommy.
And what are we baking today, Jude?
Donuts.
Donuts. Yummy donuts?
Yeah.
And are we baking them?
Yeah.
Yeah. Will we add any added sugar?
No.
Butter?
No. No
Oil?
butter. No butter. No oil.
No. Okay. Let's see. What do we need?
Milk.
Milk. You can use dairy or non-dairy milk. What else?
Banana.
Banana. Super ripe bananas. Oat flour.
Or flour.
I have here almond flour if you want to make it gluten-free, or you can use any flour.
Any flour.
Yes. What else?
Strawberries.
Strawberries.
Honey.
Honey.
Eggs.
Eggs. Baking powder.
Baking powder.
And for the glaze, what do we need? And that's optional. White chocolate.
You don't say it.
We don't want to say what do we need for the glaze now?
No.
Okay, we'll say that later. So, do you want to start?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's mix the dry ingredients first.
Yeah.
We have here 1 cup of oat flour.
Oopsie.
That's okay.
And this.
And 1 cup of almond flour. We will add 2 teaspoons of baking powder.
Yeah. I got it. I do. No,
Okay, sure. Add more.
More?
Shake it. Done. Okay, that's 1. We need 1 more. Okay, 1 more.
More?
This. Let's shake and see. Yes. Okay.
No more.
No more. We have here 1/4 teaspoon of salt.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Reckon?
Yeah. Do we have any more dry ingredients?
No.
No. So let's mix this together.
Slowly.
Slowly. Okay. We just want to mix them together.
Okay.
You have to catch the bowl when you're mixing. Our dry ingredients are ready. So we will put this on the side, and now we will add our wet ingredients. You can add them to a bowl, use the fork and a whisker. You don't need to use this, but we're going to use this one. Let's add the banana Jude.
Yeah.
We need 1 cup of super ripe bananas. It's around 1 banana and a half. Peel the banana. Peel banana. You have to try to peel it from here. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. So you can see the cup here.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's see. We need more. So depending on the size of the bananas, I think the 1 cup we will need 1 banana and a half. 2 bananas. I'm gonna use the 2 bananas. You're peeling the banana.
Big banana. See, just started on here.
No, it's ripe.
It's ripe.
Yeah, it's super ripe.
Yeah.
So let's...
Oopsie.
Here. that's 1 cup of banana. What are we going to add more, Jude?
This one.
Honey?
Yeah, honey.
We have here 1/4 cup of honey.
Okay. Take it out.
Although mashing and whisking is fun for kids, they also like to press buttons. We will add 2 eggs.
2 eggs.
Let's crack them together. More. Okay, this one is cracked. So we will open it inside. Open. That's 1 egg.
And then 2 eggs.
And we will add the second egg here. No, try here. That's plastic. Try on the glass.
It's come out.
It's open now.
Yeah. Oh, it's in my finger.
That's fine. We're gonna clean our hands. No.
No?
We don't put raw eggs in our mouth.
Good
Only
egg.
cooked eggs, okay?
Yeah.
What do we have more? That's our wet ingredients.
Strawberry.
We don't need to add the strawberry now. Let's mix these first.
Yeah.
You can add vanilla also if you'd like. Mix. Oh, we forgot to add the milk. That's okay. We will need 1/3 cup of milk.
Let me put it.
Carefully.
I know.
Okay, carefully. Above this one, please. Carefully. Wait. After adding the milk to our wet ingredients, we're going to mix it with the dry ingredients. Let's add these here.
No. Let's put it. Oh.
Carefully. Let's mix them together. You don't have to mix them so much. You just want them to get combined together. So make sure not to overmix it.
You mix it.
You want me to mix it?
Yes.
Okay. Carefully combining. Do you want to turn this for me, the bowl for Mama?
Yeah.
Okay, turn the bowl for Mama. The purpose of our recipe today is to have a nutritious recipe that doesn't require any frying, doesn't have any added sugar or oils. I will tell you that it doesn't really taste like donuts, but it's kind of like a donut shaped muffin. And don't worry if you don't have the donut pan, because I don't have that one too. So we will just be creative. Now we will add
Strawberry.
1/2 cup of strawberry. That's for you.
Put it?
No, that's for you. Finely chopped. And just mix them again. Our batter is ready. We need a muffin tray, and since I don't have the donut and I want them to be like a donut shape, so I rolled an aluminium foil and I will cut it into 6 pieces. This batter should do 12 muffins that are this size. So we will cut this one into 6 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's really important, that's the only part that we have oil in, to oil it well so that they doesn't stick to it. And then even these ones you can spray them, and we will try to put them in the middle and just scoop the batter all around it.
Oopsie, fell down.
Yeah, that's fine. So we have here some oil. Okay, can you brush this?
Yeah. I brush it.
We have to brush all the sides. Okay, second one. You don't have to add too much, just make sure you are covering all the sides well. You can scoop them right away,
But
but it might be easier to put them in a bag and scoop them out from it. Squeeze with mommy. So just try to put this in the middle and then squeeze all over it, all around.
Oh.
That's okay, mommy, that's okay. Oops. Okay, that's it. Stop squeezing.
Here.
Yeah, squeeze. Stop. Stop. Okay. As you can see here, we filled them, and this will go into a 350 degrees preheated oven for 10 to 12 minutes until they turn golden brown.
It smells amazing.
Well, it smells amazing. Our donuts are out of the oven. We have to still wait for them to cool. I will show you. This is one, and just twist this around and take it out. But I figure it's easier. Don't do this step and put these in. So you can put them in the muffin tray as is without anything. And then if you have a vegetable cover, just before they cool down, put it in the middle.
Put it in the middle.
Take it out. Here we go. It's perfect, and we don't need to do that step. So that's much more easier. It's still hot. Wait.
Oopsie.
While our donuts are cooling down, we will make the glaze. That's optional. So we have here 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. We will add half a cup of white chocolate.
I want to put them there.
Yeah, we will add them to put them in the microwave for a couple seconds. Turn it off, 10 seconds, turn it off, mix them, then put them again until they melt. Our chocolate is ready. We are going to add 2 drops of red coloring.
Yeah.
Okay, should add 2 drops only. Thank you.
I want to mix it.
Mix it. If you don't want to add any added sugar or like the white chocolate, you can use the cream cheese topping. So you can soften the cream cheese, half a cup of cream cheese in the microwave. And then you can add to it 1 tablespoon of honey. It's better to blend it in the blender so it will really be smooth, and then you can use it instead. And Jude, we're going to take the donut, and mommy is going to swirl it down. Ooh. And then Jude can add the sprinkles on top.
This one?
Yeah. So these, you can store them in an airtight container in the fridge for 3 days. You can also freeze them, but before adding the glaze and the sprinkle.
Yeah.
This is really good to do it in the weekend together. And you will have fun and you will enjoy eating them.
Mom, don't do this.
You want to try? Okay. What do you think?
Yummy.
Is it yummy?
Yeah.
Mmm. Is it healthy and nutritious? Okay. So what are you going to tell our friends?
Goodbye.
That's it for today. Goodbye. Have fun.